Hey, so you might be wondering what's a SmileBox, what's inside, how it works. So what we're gonna do today is unbox one together and I'll show you what's inside and what you get with it. So let's open it. So it comes like this with a sleeve to protect it, and once you open it, that's what you get. So it comes with a cute thank you card, shows you how you can share on social media or refer your friends and get some vouchers. And then this is your manual, so it will, in the manual, explain you exactly how to take your impressions, how to get them checked, how to send them back. Everything is inside for you. And then you get those cute pouches. So I'll open them for you and we can have a look and see exactly what's inside. So inside the smallest pouch, you will find a pair of gloves for you to wear when you take your impressions. In the larger pouch, you will find trays for you to make your molds. So you'll find plenty of trays. You'll have 3 for your upper arch and 3 for your lower arch. That means you can take 6 impressions of your teeth to make sure that you get a successful one for the lab to scan. So this is the upper tray. This is how it looks, and this is the lower tray for your lower impressions. In the medium pouch, of course, for you to take your molds, you will get impression putty. So you will have enough to take your 6 molds, and you will find some purple putty and some white putty. Simply, you have to open them, mix them together, roll it into a sausage shape, and then put it in your tray and press to take your mold and wait for 3 minutes. Everything is explained in your manual, and you also receive a video tutorial so that you can follow it to take your impressions at home. It's really easy. In your kit, you will also find a transparent bag like this, where you will have your name and your ID number so that it can be matched to your details when you return it to the lab. So you will simply have to pop your impressions once you're done inside this. And then you will also find an envelope with your pre-printed return label on it. This is prepaid for you, and you can either call DHL for them to pick up your parcel at your address, or you can drop it off at your nearest DHL drop-off point. So the cost of your SmileBox impression kit also covers your straight teeth plan. So once you return your impressions, they will be scanned and you will be able to see your plan prepared by your assigned orthodontist with your prescription, all your recommendations, and the most exciting part, a 3D plan showing you a simulation of your teeth now and how they will look when you're finished with the treatment. So you can decide from that if you want to order your liners or not. And during this whole process, you will have full support from the team guiding you through taking your impressions. And you also have the impressions guarantee, so that if these sets of impressions are not good enough to print your liners, you will be sent a custom kit at no extra cost. And now, if you would like to order your own impression kit and see what your new smile could look like, the next step is to send photos of your teeth so they can be professionally reviewed and you can find out if you are suitable. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon on Straight Teeth TV and StraightTeethDirect.com.